Welcome back to another book review, media review. Today we're looking at a Finnish entry here. Please excuse my pronunciation, but this is a KONEPISTOOLI SUOMI. So this is based on the SUOMI firearm, and we're just going to flip through it real quick. And I'm not going to bother translating because there's just too much to go over, but we'll try to show you some of the highlights here. On the front we can already see a couple stampings right there, and if we go ahead, we got a cover pages, title page. It's probably from Helsinki's Kustannusoitio. So it's like this is 1935 originally printed. Not sure what edition this is now. Here's our table of contents. Let you guys have a quick look at that. Let's continue on the next page. And then our introduction from HUHTALA, Lieutenanti. And then some of our specs. Some diagrams and descriptions. And this was obtained through varusteleka.com. So feel free to check out Varusteleka. They also have a variety of other items. They're out of Finland and they do ship internationally. So feel free to check them out, varusteleka.com. They got all sorts of neat stuff like this, and clothing and other camping items. Even food items as well, so there's a little bit of everything in varusteleka.com. And if you're in Finland, feel free to check out their actual physical store, and they do have another side establishment next to it where you can partake in other beverage and I believe food items. Don't hold me to that, but I know they do carry food in the store itself. So various canned and beverage items. So we're just paging through here, through the various diagrams and text. This looks like our drum mags right there. Looks like one of the grips. Just flip it back here, trigger mechanisms, sight, safety bar, stick mag. A schematic. Apologize for the lighting. Let's see if I can adjust it so it's not so much glare. That might be better. Pretty complicated diagram there. More simplified diagram on the trigger mechanism, the sear, how it operates, safety. Period photos in action. Some more stats right there. Tables. Diagram and parts identification. There's another one. There's a pretty complicated diagram right there. And finally some field strip parts as well. blank pages for notes. And the back cover. So again, this is all in Finnish, on the KONEPISTOOLI SUOMI. And this was obtained from varusteleka.com. Feel free to check them out. Neat little items like this. And feel free to check out other book review, media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage and milsurp items. And we also do Curios for the Curious videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.